many ribs present in human body? Option A 50, option B 24, option C 12, option D 1. Correct answer is option B 24. What is the lifespan of RBC? Option A 130, option B 110, option C 100, option D 120. Correct answer is option D 120. How many bones are present in human ear? Option A 2, option B 6, option C 7, option D 5. Correct answer is option B 6. What is the hardest part of human body? Option A spinal bone, option B enamel, option C knee bone, option D nails. So our correct answer is option B enamel. How many types of teeth present in human body? Option A 32, option B 4, option C 5, option D 28. So our correct answer is option B 4. Color of human eyes depend upon the pigment present in. Option A cornea, option B iris, option C retina, option D pupil. So our correct answer is option B iris. Total number of muscles in the human body is option A 600, option B 639, option C 300, option D 250. So correct answer is option B 639. Hormones are produced by option A endocrine gland, option B exocrine gland, option C pituitary gland, option D hypothalamus. So correct answer of this question is option A endocrine gland. Cartilage is not found in option A nose, option B kidney, option C ear, option D larynx. So correct answer of this question is option B kidney. Blood pressure is the high in option A arteries, option B veins, option C alveoli, option D both A and B. So correct answer is option A arteries. Smallest bone stapes in the human body are found in option A feet, option B ear, option C knees, option D fingers. So correct answer is option B ear. Smallest bone in the human body is about the size of option A head of pin, option B a grain of sand, option C a pinch of salt, Option D, a grain of rice. So correct answer is option D, a grain of rice. Name the longest muscles in the human body. Option A, biceps. Option B, triceps. Option C, stapedius. Option C, sartorius. So correct answer is option D, sartorius. Contractile proteins are found in option A, muscles. Option B, cartilage. Option C, bones. Option D, blood. So correct answer is option A, muscles. Nervous tissue is not found in option A, nerves. Option B, tendons. Option C, spinal cord. Option D, brain. So correct answer is option B, tendons.